Hello guys, and welcome to another of Squall's unboxings. Today we're unboxing the Legend of Zelda loot box that can be purchased for Walmart around 20 bucks. It includes 5 mystery items over a $45 value. The consumer decides that, not the company. The company can set the price, but the consumer, if the price is too high, will not buy it. If the price is too low, they'll overbuy it. If they want it. Each consumer is different. So let's see if these things are $45 value. So actually, I like the box a little bit. It's got some Wind Waker art on the front. The CDI games, Ocarina of Time. I think that might be the 3DS Spirit Tracks. There's the Majora's Mask, maybe. Let's see what's on the side. Okay, that's one of those things from Minish Cap, I think. There's some eye monster, Impa, a slightly corrupted Zelda, Toon Link playing the pan flute, that's what that is, and Ravio from Link to the Past remade. There's Majora's Mask. That's Nairu, I think, from Oracle of Ages. There's Sheik from Link to the Past. Goron, I think that's Darunia from Oracle of from Ocarina of Time. Now let's see what's on the other side. Okay, so both of these sides are the same. Oh, and then there's the top. Okay. More there's the 4 links from the GameCube one. I think that's Agnem from Link to the Past. Anyway, okay. So the 5 mystery items. We got what looks like a Hylian shield, a keychain with the Hylian crust on it. There's a mug. I think number 4 is a wallet. And number 3 is probably like a messenger bag. It's got the Nintendo seal of approval, and it's built by Culturefly. And they have a website. And then on the bottom, yeah, there it says Culturefly again. And where it's made in big bold letters. And they're based out of New York. So, alright, let's open this bad boy up. My trusty multi-tool. And always remember, use caution around sharp objects. Okay. We're going to unseal it here. We're going to unseal it here. There we go. I guess I need to sharpen my knife a little bit more. I use it at work too, so it's like it's something I should keep in constant sharpicity. Okay, we'll cut there, cut there. And then we'll see if we can pull it out carefully. Oh yeah, sliding it right off. Sliding the plastic right off. The stuff in it's packed fairly tight. Oh, there's something that moved. I just heard it. Okay. Well, I'll cut that out and put that back in there. Okay. So, what do we have? Well, that's blank. That sucks. They could have put some designs on the inside. Oh, it's not a messenger bag. Okay. Okay, so I think this is the thing that was moving around. Oh, it's a bottle opener keychain. I'm not impressed. But let me see. Maybe about $1, maybe 50 cents. I would pay for this. Another customer might have different perspective. Alright, so this is a camper mug. If I can get the bloody thing open. That was more difficult than it should have been. Okay, so it's blank on the inside, you can see. Missed opportunity for more designs on the inside. Then it's in a plastic, like foam, I think. Oh, and it's... $50. I would buy this for 50 cents at a garage sale. Hand wash only, do not microwave, made in China. No, this is crap. This is crap. So altogether right now, we're at $1. $45 value, my butt. See what this is. You're making me take my hat off in disgust. Something kept together by a rubber band. Okay, this must be the big thing. It is a hooded blanket. What's a hooded blanket? Okay, well there's the symbol. Symbol of Hyrule with the little wings. The hood doesn't look very good. It doesn't even have sleeves. Okay, this has got to be a hooded blanket for a kid. This is... This is way too small for me. One size fits all. Alright. Valuation of this. Maybe $5. $5. So we're at $6 altogether. I would pay $5 for this at a garage sale. If I would even buy it, I wouldn't buy it because it's too small. Worthless piece of crap box. I don't even care that it has the Zelda stuff on it. Okay. Oh look, a silica gel. What would I what price would I fix to this? This is worth more than anything else in the box. Oh, wow. Temporary tattoos. 50 cents. So we're up to $5.50. Well, okay, $6.50. And this is an embossed decal. I have no idea what that is. Well, I know what it is. It's the Hylian shield. But what is a decal? What is a decal used for? I might pay like 50 cents to $1 for this, if I would even buy it at all. So this box that they claim has a $45 value in it and sells for $20. It turns out that my personal valuation totaled, I would say, $7. I would not recommend this unless there's something in here that you might like maybe the temporary tattoos or the mug. I don't even think the mug has a good design on it. That's not a very good design of Link. If you have need for a bottle opener, but I wouldn't spend $20 just to get a Zelda bottle opener. It's probably better on Etsy or eBay, stuff like that. Sad box is sad. Well, anyway. I would throw it to space, but then I wouldn't be able to get rid of it myself. And I would rather do that to give to somebody who would from their perspective give it a higher valuation than I just did. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that bell for notifications. Leave a comment down below. Maybe like what kind of valuation you would assign to each of these items. And maybe why it would be different depending on your perspective. Don't forget to check out my GoFundMe. It's another video on my channel. And don't forget, take care of yourselves and have a good day.